Okay, hello everyone. We will continue with our phonics lesson today. And today we will be learning the letter G. And what sound does G make, okay? So G, how do we write G? Let's start with that. G. But what kind of sound does G make? It's different in times, but usually it's G. G. G sound with G, but it will change as you mix it up with different vowels like A, E, I, O, or U. Before we start, we will go over our calendar. So, what day is it today? The recording of this video is Thursday, April 25th, 2013. So we will say this one more time. Today is Thursday, April 25th, 2013. Okay, we will start with some words. Number 1. What do you see? You see Monopoly. Monopoly, it's a game. Let's follow again. Game. I like to play games. Same as Alex's teacher. Number 2. We see lots of trees. Lots of flowers. It's very nicely decorated. It's called garden. Garden. Our school has a garden area in front. Okay. Number 3. Gate. Gate. Gate is a big door in front of buildings, big house, or some areas. So it's a door, but it's a big door. It's a gate. Gate. Let's go over the words before we continue with more. Okay, number 1. Number 1 was game. Number 2, garden. And number 3, gate. Okay? Next one. Who are they? We see lots of boys. No, they are girl. Girl. So when we have little women, not man and woman, we have boys and girls. So we have girl. Girl. Next one. We saw this a lot in the book. Move over. This animal butted his head and stuck his horns on the waterbed. It's a... What is it, Alex, teacher?
It's a goat.
Yes, it's a goat. Goat, but these are baby goat. They're baby goat.
Goat.
Yeah, goats. So number 2 was goat. Number 3, it's sort of like 5 little ducks. but it's actually a goose starting with G. The difference is that goose is a bigger duck. It's a bigger duck. So it's very simple. Let's write our 3 words. Number 1, girl. Number 2, goat. Number 3, goose. So girl with I, G, goat with O, and 2 O's make oo sounds. So goose makes goose, goose, goose. Girl, goat, and goose. Okay, last one, last section. Number 1, we all know this. We see it in a zoo. It's a gorilla. Gorilla with a G. And number 2, we also know this too. It's a guitar. Guitar. Number 3, I saw grade 3 chewing this today in class. Number 3, gum. Gum. So we see this boy with bubble gum, right? Making big bubble with the gum. So we will go over that one more time. We'll go backwards this time. Gum. Guitar. And guitar and gorilla. So G makes what sound? G. So G sound with O, go, gorilla. Like the word go, same start. Number 2, guitar with G sound and guitar. And number 3, gum. Korean word gum, it's the same, right? Gum. Okay. Now we will read a story called Garden Party. Okay. So gum on a goose. We see a lot of instruments, right? We see this girl chewing a gum. And we see what is this? We see a goat playing the guitar. And the goose is playing the drums. Gorilla is on the piano. So gum on a goose. The gum is on the goose. Let's see number 2. Gum on a, who is this? Gorilla. We see the gorilla with the gum, and the girl is smiling very happy. What a mean girl. Number 3. Gum on a goat. It's also on the guitar, right? Where is gum? Where's the gum? It's on the, number 1, gorilla. Number 2, guitar. Number 3, goat. Number 4, goose. It's also on the drum and guitar. So it's the gums everywhere, and this girl is just smiling. And finally, you see that the gum is on a girl. Gum on a girl. Gum on a girl. So, I will give you 3 questions. 3 questions on phonics. And whoever gets it right and puts it up, I will give you candy. Question number 1. What is this in Korean? Number 1, in Korean. Garden in Korean. Garden in Korean. Number 2. Number 2. What is the animal? What is the animal that made the waterbed pop? Starts with the G. What's the animal that made the waterbed pop? And number 3, who was chewing? Who was chewing the gum in the story, in the beginning? Who started to chew the gum? Okay, if you know the answer, please put it up on the site, okay? So, I hope you enjoyed the class today, learning about G and the sound G makes. And the sound that G makes is G, G. Okay? I will see you next time. Bye-bye.